We're waiting for information German, so we can't really go anywhere. Enjoy this side of the coast. Today we're going to here. Can you see it? It's a good couple of miles. And of course we're here again on one of those lovely deserted beaches. I used to build things like that when I was a kid out of matchsticks and lollipop sticks. It's built in the 14th century, and you can see why film studio people like this. Game of Thrones, Elsie, all the walls go all the way around the place. So why are church doors so big? Well, there's a couple of theories. One is they try to represent the doors of heaven, or the gates of heaven, and the other one is that they're actually in proportion to the size of the building. I'm very impressed myself, considering I don't like heights. I'm looking down on the lighthouse. Beautiful place. Absolutely. 14th, 15th century, this place would have been my most favourite. It's the wine cellar. Then, after drinking all that wine, I would have probably ended up in here, which is the dungeon and torture chamber. The dungeon and torture chamber. To the funny 1961, Charlton Heston and Sophie Loren were here in this wine cellar. I have seen a lot of castles in Europe. In fact, what we were going to do was, because we were castled out, one day we'll tell you what our top 5 is. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely hats off. Well, the sea's down there, and one is presuming to go back where we came. When we arrived at the ticket desk, it was €5.50, and I said, "Oh, are you over 60?" And we said, "Yes, €3.50." The benefits of being over